Hi there, my name is Tim and welcome to the wonderful world of Adobe InDesign. We're going to use Adobe InDesign in this course primarily to design books and magazines, but later on in the course, as this course grows, we'll be including a variety of different exciting graphic projects. I'm an illustrator, published author and lecturer in graphic communications. Part of my day-to-day work involves teaching Adobe InDesign to everyone, from complete beginners, teenagers to university students and adults. Over the years, this experience has given me a wide range of skills and insights in knowing just what it takes to get anyone started on creating beautiful publications with Adobe InDesign. The art and design books I've written include The Field Guide to Drawing and Sketching Animals, which was ranked one of the top 20 best nature drawing books of all time by Book Authority, Watercolour, The Natural World, and my latest book, Drawing the Natural World, in which I share many of my practical tips and techniques. In this comprehensive video club, I want to share with you all the necessary skills to put your own book together, from start to finish. We're going to do a deep dive into the functionality of InDesign, exploring everything from the very basics to advanced techniques. You're going to learn how to set up your own document, manage layouts, work with text and image, and apply design principles that will make your publication stand out on the shop shelf. Whether you want to work on a children's book filled with fun and whimsical illustrations, perhaps an educational book packed full with detailed information, or a captivating non-fiction narrative, the skills I'm going to teach you are transferable across all these genres, whether it's fiction or non-fiction. We're going to explore how to create compelling covers, design engaging pages, and ensure that your final product is polished and professional looking. A significant part of this course will also touch on the basics of scanning and editing in Photoshop. These are essential skills to help you digitize your own personal sketches, drawings and photographs and make them as bright and crisp and clear for your InDesign production. You'll learn how to enhance your images, correct colours and prepare the artwork for a seamless integration into your InDesign project. I'm going to show you how to scan your sketches and make everything as bright and crystal clear as possible so you can also share it on social media. InDesign itself is an indispensable tool for anyone wanting to present a professionally designed mock-up to a publisher. Even if you're self-publishing, all the information you will need to know to create your own children's book, your own recipe book, or anything you've got inside of you to a self-publishing company, everything is here. Mastering InDesign will give you the edge to produce a high-quality, visually stunning publication. I tend to work with established publishers and work collaboratively with their editors and designers. Having the ability to do your own layout speeds up the production process and means you can guide the overall look and treatment of the book you want to create. Throughout this course, I'm going to provide you with practical and hands-on exercises. These projects will solidify your learning. You'll have the opportunity to create your own book layout, experiment with different design elements and receive constructive feedback that will refine your skills. By the end of this course, you'll have a complete, ready-to-publish book design that you can proudly share with the world. So let's get started on this exciting journey creating your very own beautiful publications. Join me in this course and bring your ideas to life in InDesign. Together we can unlock your creative potential and take your design skills to the next level. One thing I wanted to mention is that this course is going to be more of a vibrant club where we're going to embark on different projects together, fostering a collaborative and creative community. As becoming a member, you'll participate in these workshops. You will be working along fellow students on real-world projects that span from the initial concept to the final publication. This dynamic environment not only enhances your technical skills in InDesign and Photoshop, but also offers you feedback and continuous inspiration. By being part of this club, I want you to stay motivated through this collective creativity and gain a diverse range of perspectives, and also, along the way, develop a professional portfolio that showcases your expertise. So come and join us on this supportive network of InDesign people and embark on the lifetime of learning InDesign.